We create the virtual sensors in the points that we want to retrieve the traffic and weather data. We have put the virtual sensors at the end of the street, but we have the flexibility to move them around without any maintenance or installation costs. And then we can configure as well the dimming matrix, where we say what should be the dimming level to apply in case there's precipitation, in case there's no precipitation, and depending on the amount of traffic. In this case, for safety reasons, we always set it as 100% dimming level in case there's precipitation. When there's no rain, we set it up to 50% in low, 75% in moderate, or 100% in high traffic. With last night, we applied an average equalized dimming level of 65%.